Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account. Use two-step verification if enabled for security. Once signed in, navigate directly to the updated Google service or install its official app from the Play or App Store. Next, make sure to allow essential permissions, for example location or storage, because the service won't function fully without them. After granting permissions, you'll see the main dashboard. Tap or click the primary action button to begin the configured setup flow. Once done with initial access, dive into configuration. Open settings and set your language, notification preferences, and privacy options so outcomes match your needs. Then link external accounts or calendars if the service integrates with other Google or third-party tools. This ensures data flows correctly. Make sure to set sync frequency and enable auto backup where appropriate, because consistent syncing prevents data loss. Finally, save changes and test one small workflow to confirm the configuration. To complete setup, perform a final end-to-end test of the primary feature so you verify results. If something fails, first make sure the app is updated, then clear cache or reauthorize your account because stale tokens often cause errors. If problems persist, run built-in diagnostics and note any error codes. These speed up resolution. A key tip: if synchronization stalls, disconnect and reconnect the service after exporting any unsynced data to avoid accidental loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.